This is the Keurig K-Cafe Duo. It's a single-serve coffee maker. So on the side over here, you have these where you can actually put your milk in to froth any type of milk you would like. Down here, you can choose if you're doing a latte, just a coffee, or whatnot. On top, you have your different options for your sizes, your 8, 6, 8, 10, 12, a single shot. Once you pop this open, you can put whichever K-cup in there you would like. If you're wanting to do a specialty drink, you could use an espresso K-cup, or just a regular coffee, you can do a flavored one. On the side, you can lift this reservoir all the way off if you want to take it over to the sink and fill it with water. But if you don't want to take the whole thing off, you can pop the top off, use a pitcher or whatever to fill that with. I absolutely love this machine. I think it is so great that you can do your regular coffee, but you can also do all of the specialty drinks right at home using a K-cup.